Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we'll talk about what is an account manager. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is an account manager? An account manager serves as the liaison between companies and their customers. It is an account manager's responsibility to address customers' needs and concerns as quickly and effectively as possible to develop and maintain strong relationships. They typically work with multiple small accounts or a few larger ones. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report of what is the job description of an account manager in a company. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.